Hey everybody, so I'm feeling pretty disappointed in myself right now, and I wanted to share it with you because I think that many of us find ourselves feeling exactly the same way for the same reason. And that reason is because I haven't really been very consistent with my training, and it's really frustrating me. I have standards that I want to keep and all of that. But I mean, it's been a long time, and I would say probably about a little over 2 years. I know it sounds crazy, right? And I used to train very well, very consistently. Everything was great. But the last 2.5 years, life has been totally nuts. I've had a lot of deaths in the family, a lot of traveling around, work, etc. It's really been nuts. And these days, I've only had time to train maybe, if I'm lucky, about an hour and a half a week. And you might be saying that's bullshit. He looks pretty good. I don't think so. I think I look all right, but I could look a lot better, okay? That's just my mindset. And you might be saying, that's bullshit. There's no way he's training only that little, and he must be doing TRT or taking this and that. I don't, okay? I'm honestly telling you, I don't take anything. It's really just about mindset and balance, okay, with nutrition and everything like that. And this is something I work on with clients a lot, is mindset, because what I see all the time is people make a choice. It's either one way or the other, the blue pill or the red pill, okay? They either fly off the handle and go, fuck, I missed a couple of days training, my life's a mess, screw it. I start drinking, start eating a bunch of crap, and they gain a ton of weight and they lose all their results, right? This is not good, okay? You don't wanna go that way, right? But if you understand, you get yourself in the mindset that setbacks happen. Things might be out of your control. Only worry about and care about things that you can control. If you can't control them, don't worry about it. As long as you're eating responsibly, right? And you're at least moving somewhat. Maybe you lose a little bit of muscle mass, and as a result, maybe your body fat percentage will go up because of the muscle mass loss. But you shouldn't be gaining a lot of weight. If you're gaining a lot of weight, again, maybe you're not paying attention. That's another thing you should be doing. Get on the scale, see what's going on, right? If you see you start gaining a bit of weight, pay attention to your food. If you just keep the basic habits, just basic, and even if you're not doing anything or everything is a total mess, you can't do things in the same structure, the habits and the routines that you would like to have. And that becomes a bit of a mess. Just stick to the basics. Eat well, move as much as you can, and you'll be fine. Right? Go to the gym when you can, train when you can, okay? Do what you can, and there's no way you'll gain a ton of weight. Unless you have a medical problem that developed overnight, okay? You won't, okay? When I see people gain tons of weight, it's because they just let everything go. They said, fuck it, and they start drinking, they start eating crap, they don't move. They just, I'm gonna just lay down and rest. I need more rest. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna drink that. And there you go. It's a recipe for disaster. But if you at least keep your mindset and accept, okay, my life's getting a mess right now. I have challenges and setbacks. It's okay. Let me focus on what I can control, what I put into my mouth, how I move, right? How much I move, okay? You're not chained to a chair all day, okay, for the most part. So you can control a little bit of how much you move. And your food, you gotta eat. So you have a decision about what goes in your mouth, what goes in your body. So there you go. If you control those two things, you'll be fine. So get your mind right, get your head screwed on tight, and you'll be totally fine.